Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
So we have created the object of the button and we have initialized that object using find view by ID method here. Now after this initialization, we have to listen to the click event. Whenever user will click on that button, some action should happen. So usually we have a click function for that. Let's see how we do it in Android. So in Android, we have btn dot set on click listener. So when I type set, if you are not getting the suggestion, you can type capital O-N. Okay, so set on click listener, select it. Now we have to generate a huge part of code. We have to generate around 2-3 lines of code. So how to generate that code? Set on click listener, this is a function. Inside this function, you have to write new space, give capital O and simply press enter, new space capital O, enter. So automatically this code will be generated. This much lines of code will be generated, and this is the on click function where we have to write our actual code. So whatever you will write here will be executed only when you click on that button. Okay. Yeah, so here now I have to display a flash message, like a pop-up message that says hello, you have registered successfully, whenever I will click on the register button. Now for that purpose, the flash message or the message, pop-up message that we are saying is called as toast message in Android. For example, when we uninstall an application, we get a message saying uninstall app, uninstall successful. We are going to now display the same kind of message. So to display a toast message, what we have to do is capital T-O-A. You have to start typing toast. You will get 2 suggestions. Android widget, create a new toast. Click on create a new toast and press enter. So it will show this line, dot show. Okay. Now here there is a part text where you have to type the message that you want to display. What I want to display is hello, you are registered successfully. So this is the message written, this is the toast message that I have written in the on click event of the btn. Now let's run this program and check the output. So it is installing. So this is my app. Now if I click on enter name, it will show me the text password, the normal text password. Same for the address, we will get a normal text password. For contact, as you can see, the keypad is of type phone, means of only for phone number. Okay. Email ID, so when I click on email ID, see @ symbol is at the top, whereas in text it is not. Okay. Password, normal text, but whatever the text you are going to type will be displayed in stars. Okay. Same with confirm password, and now if I click on register, it is showing a pop-up message, hello, you are registered successfully. Remember, we haven't applied any validations yet. Okay. In every form there are some compulsory fields, there are optional fields, like it is compulsory you should fill your name, you cannot leave a field blank. We haven't applied those validations yet. We are going to learn them in the next video. For now, what we have did is whenever you will click on this button, you will get this pop-up message. Hello, you are registered successfully. Thus, we have handled our first runtime event, runtime click event using object creation, object initialization and on click function. Right? So this is how we handle the event. In the next video, we are going to learn about how to apply validations to this form, so that we will have some compulsory fields and we will check the contact number, whether contact number is correct or not. Password and confirm password should be same, and accordingly the errors will be displayed. Okay. All right.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.